Saudi Arabia to resume Umrah gradually with limited domestic pilgrims from October 4, 2020. Saudi Arabia to resume Umrah and visits to the two holy mosques gradually with limited domestic pilgrims starting from October 4, 2020. First phase. Saudi Arabia has announced that the first phase of the resumption of Umrah will allow 6,000 pilgrims a day to perform the rituals at the Grand Mosque. Second phase of resuming Umrah will enable 15,000 domestic pilgrims to perform the rituals a day in the Grand Mosque starting from October 18th. Third phase. The third phase of resuming Umrah and prayers in the two holy mosques will allow pilgrims from inside and outside Saudi Arabia to perform the ritual starting from November 1, 2020, with a limited numbers. Subscribe and press the bell button for more videos. Thanks for watching.